Hello everyone, my name is Suvidala Ford and I'm a regional manager of our store. Today I'm going to teach you how to improve team communication in the workplace. Effective team communication is very important for building and maintaining relationships at work. When you communicate clearly, openly, and regularly with your coworkers, you can ensure that everyone knows what your current team goals are and how to achieve them. So, what is team communication? Team communication is the verbal and written interaction you hold with your coworkers. It can include meeting, one-on-one conversations, or written correspondence such as email. Team communication can come in many different forms, and certain types of communication may work better for different situations. Here are some of the most common forms of team communication. Open meetings. An open meeting allows everyone on the team to share their ideas and give their opinions on a particular project or process. Emails. Communication via email is fast and often preferable when you want to share just small updates that don't require you to hold a meeting. It also provides you with a permanent record that you can reference later. One-on-one meetings. So some meetings are more effective when conducted as a direct conversation. For example, if a leader has to give a constructive criticism, it is best to do it privately in a one-on-one meeting. Conversation at work. Simply holding regular conversations in the workplace can help you strengthen your relationships with coworkers and encourage productive communication. Training sessions. Training session can help ensure everyone on the team understands their job, duties, and goals, and offer a place for employees to ask questions. Next, I will give you some tips for improving communication with team members. Encourage an open environment. Use two-way feedback. Clarify roles and responsibilities. Facilitate team building exercises. Use body language. Use an appropriate tone. Thank you for coming today. I hope this presentation will help you improve your communication with your team members.